Hi friends, here is a natural home remedy for getting rid of chronic cough. Many of us face this problem, and this problem increases more so in winter. Hopefully, within a few days of its use, cough will start disappearing from your lungs and throat. Friends, this is a very simple preparation for fighting persistent cough. For this concoction, we use only ingredients which are normally used in our kitchens. For this, you take 6 to 8 bay leaves, tej patta, duly washed and cut into half, 2 pieces of ginger, adrak, 6 pieces of cloves, long, 2 pieces cardamom, ilaichi, 1 to 2 pieces of cinnamon bark, dalchini, and 3-4 spoons of honey. Take 3-4 cups of water in a bowl and put it on a flame to boil. Add ginger, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon bark and let the water start boiling. After a few minutes of boil, you will see froth coming on top of the water. Now is the time to add bay leaves to this mixture. After adding bay leaves, please boil the mixture for about 6 to 8 minutes. After 6 to 8 minutes of boil, you may switch off the flame and you will see that bay leaves have now settled down. You keep a glass container ready to store the mixture. But first, let the mixture cool to room temperature. Pour this preparation in a glass container using a strainer. Now you can add 3-4 spoons of honey to this mixture. However, those with diabetes or sugar problem need not add honey. Friends, the remedy is now ready for use. You have to take 3 teaspoons, about 15 milliliter of this preparation with little lukewarm water every morning. Friends, you will see amazing improvement in reduction of cough in about a week's time. As you can see, we are only using cooking ingredients in this home preparation. However, you will like to consult your doctor before its use. Friends, hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting and useful videos.